Do you get overwhelmed when it's time to file your federal tax return? I know I do, and I like to procrastinate things that I don't want to do. Let me walk you through a couple of simple things that might make it a little easier for you. The first thing you need to do is really start paying attention at the end of the year and collect the mail that comes to you in one place that you can remember where it is so that you have it ready when you're ready to file. A couple of things that you'll need to keep an eye out for are your W-2 from your employer if you have a job. And it looks like this. It'll come in the mail, and it should clearly be marked W-2. Alternatively, some employers are sending these via email these days. But hang on to this document because that's one of the most important things that you'll need for your tax return. A second form that you'll see one or maybe more of in the mail is called a 1099. It's also marked clearly with 1099 on the form, and it will usually come from your bank. There are a couple of different kinds of 1099s, and they indicate different kinds of earnings that you may have, including dividends, interest, and retirement accounts. So definitely hold on to these. These are items that will be needed to complete your return, and they can actually be matched by the IRS, so you don't want to lose one. One more form that we see quite often is called a Form 1098, and it reports the interest that you pay on the mortgage on your house. This also usually comes from a bank or a lender. Typically, a lot of these things come in the mail, and I know I will throw away a lot of things that I think are junk mail. So specifically in January and in December of every year, pay a little bit closer attention. If you can keep these things in a simplified folder and have them ready to give to your CPA at the end of the year, it'll make filing your federal tax return much simpler. I'm Kristen Brand, and that is how you can simplify filing your federal tax return.